Run, y'all, run. Don't walk to the nearest supermarket to get asparagus, because I'm going to show you how this recipe is perfect for diabetics. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. You can see I have a huge baking pan. I love this pan, and I'm gonna line it with non-stick aluminum foil. If you've been watching my channel, and hey y'all, I'm Dietitian Shelly. My job is to lower your blood sugars and help you balance your hormones, and of course, help you lose some weight. You know that I love non-stick aluminum foil. You can use parchment paper, I guess, and you really don't have to use anything at all. You can get your non-stick aluminum foil at, of course, your Kroger, your Walmart, because baby, you know I don't shop at the fancy store. Grab your cutting board. Love, love, love this recipe. You see that I have my asparagus. It is washed. It is clean. Yes, boo, I do wash my vegetables. Some of y'all kind of pick on me a little bit about, oh, this isn't clean. Baby, my house old. It old. If it's stained, it's going to stick there. It came this way, boo. It's just how it's going to be. You can grab a knife. Which I will do in a second because sometimes I'm a little lazy. But you could do the technique of the bend and snap. And bonus points if you know where that's from, what movie that's from. You can write it in the description section because it is absolutely one of my favorites. But after a while, I'm kind of, I'm a little over it. I'm a little over the bend and the snapping. I'm going to grab my knife. We're going to cut that stem off that asparagus. And you can kind of see I'm transferring them over to my pan. And I'm grabbing one of my favorites, which was the olive oil. And we're going to use 2 tablespoons of that. You see my favorite seasoning combo, and again, you already know this if you watch this channel, but if not, welcome to my favorite seasonings. We have our Redmond real salt, a little bit of pepper, but of course I have my Tony's Light. Whoa, hello, because I do honor my low sodium folks. I understand. I don't measure, gang. I'm Cajun. It's something we don't do. Let me know in the comment section if you're Cajun as well and where you're from, because I'm from Homa. I would say like about a half a teaspoon of each. I don't know. I just do a little shaky there. And then I go ahead and toss this. I am not about dirtying extra dishes. I do not like to throw things in a bunch of bowls and dirty it up. I'm like, I'm just going to do it in the pan. You can see that I'm doing it with a fork. I don't have fancy equipment in here. I don't want you to feel like you need fancy equipment to cook great diabetic and pre-diabetic meals and meals that are great for weight loss. When everything's coated, we're going to throw this in the oven for 15 minutes. This is amazing. It's delicious. It is one of the easiest ways to cook asparagus, but the beauty is because of that olive oil we're using, we are working to help lower our blood sugars. Gang, I'm Dietitian Shelly. If you need the recipe, look in that description box. Much love.